Hello, my name is Dr. Felicia Fowler. I am one of the senior account executives for Scholastic Education Solutions, and a text set from Scholastic Knowledge Library has just arrived, and I'm so excited that I get to unbox it with you today. Knowledge Library is Scholastic's new K-5 supplemental literacy resource. It's a structured literacy solution that elevates small group instruction by integrating knowledge building with those essential literacy skills students need to become strong, proficient readers. Now, let's unpack this box and see what print materials you get. So first you'll notice this cover, throw it away, discard it, you can recycle it. And you're gonna go to the left-hand side of the box and you're gonna pull out this folder. On the cover of the folder, you're going to notice a sticker that gives you the name of the text set, the content area it falls into, and the names of the books and decodables that are part of this text set. When you open it, you're going to find a quick start guide, an instructional routines card, as well as 3 copies of the topic overview card. Your quick start guide is going to give you a brief overview of what's in the box, as well as how to access the digital teacher experience that includes the online implementation guide to help you put the knowledge library into use in your small groups. The instructional routine card provides 4 different instructional routines that with consistent use are designed to reinforce comprehension, fluency, and critical thinking. And the topic card. This provides an overview of this particular topic, the topic launch, as well as the text complexity breakdown for each of the books, and a summary and skills focus for each of the decodables. This is something you want to keep close track of, as it's going to help you brush up on the topic ahead of your teaching. It's going to guide you on how to start your instruction and help you choose the best fits for your students based on their instructional needs. Think of it as your cheat sheet, because all of the legwork has been done for you. Keep up with that card. Now in the middle, you're going to notice 4 zip pouches or bags for the 4 topic specific books. Each pouch is going to consist of 6 copies of that particular text, as well as the corresponding teacher card. This teacher card is going to give you the instruction and everything you need to differentiate in your small group when teaching that particular book. It's going to give you options for differentiation to ensure all kids are able to access the same grade level text, as well as we've included multilingual supports for your multilingual learners. So let's take a look at the right side. Now, this is a 4th grade topic. So as you know, for grades 3, 4, and 5, each Knowledge Library text set comes with 2 advanced decodables. If you bought a grade 1, grade 2, or kindergarten, you're going to have 4 decodables, and there will be the corresponding folders. That's what's on the right-hand side. So each folder is going to contain 6 copies of that decodable, as well as the corresponding teacher card. But that's not all. If you ordered a grade span, not just a single grade level or a single text set, so that's grades K through 2 or 3 through 5 or K through 5, you will also receive a box with 5 professional books designed to align to the grade levels of your purchase, as well as the latest science of reading research. And with that, our unboxing is complete. And now the instructional fun can begin. We hope that you enjoy using these materials to build knowledge and strengthen literacy skills in your small groups this school year. Thank you so much.